Hello! I know the videos are kind of off and on and all over the place.
Amazing!
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 Cooking adventures!
Cooking adventures!
I'm in a hobbit today. A hobble. Love it. It's like a tiny little thing. The village lady downstairs A said she kept feeding me crumpets. Why not eating crumpets? I've had 3 crumpets. Have more crumpets. Why not eating them? Do you not like them? Eat more crumpets. I love that there's just a lamp. It makes me smile. So, what we're doing? Beefy beef beef. Do you follow Uncle Pete? You should do. Uncle Pete made some roast beef. He did it properly, but it got in my head, so I'm gonna do it badly. So I've got some beef joints, 1, mustard, goose fat, potatoes, eggs, then beef stock. So let's go. Just gonna boil some potatoes first for the roasties. I don't normally do, actually. Better make sure there's a pan to accept the roasties. Probably ace. Look at these. Metal tin. Perfect. Fine. Okay, so we're gonna boil those, fluff them, drain them, and then whack them in with the beef. I think, how long do you reckon that'll take? I want it pink. This is a one-way medium, you're not gonna answer me. 1/2 kilogram, 40 minutes, which I think is the same as roast potatoes, so I might just do them both together. How do you do the gravy if you've done the beef in it? Do you do beef, take beef out, then do potato? I'll think about it, isn't it? I can't think how to do it so that I get gravy and roast potatoes. If I do Yorkshire pudding as well, and they all need the same pan, maybe I need 2 pans. Right, I'm going with 2 pans. I put the oven on 9, or whatever that is in foreign land. Beef, I'm going to put in for like 10 minutes with goose fat around it, and then put potatoes in, give it another half an hour, go, take that out, make the gravy in it, put the Yorkshire pudding mix in this one, and then go. So this, let's put some goose fat on it and put it in the oven. Okay, these boilies have had about 10 minutes or something, so just gonna drain those and fluff them. Oh, the hot potato. I think someone said you meant to just leave them in the pan till the water evaporates and then put the lid on and then fluff them. Back in we go. Meanwhile, I've made Yorkshire pudding mix, which I assume is just eggs, flour and milk. Taken beef out and wrapped it up, and then keep that for about half an hour while the juice is going. Stir the potatoes, put them back in. It's gravy and Yorkshire pudding time, so I'm going to put a lot of goose fat in here and jam it in to get it hotter than Christ. Okay, so standard gravy making procedure. We've got all the crud here, flour. We'll kind of scrum all that together. Okay, all the crud has come together. Now just stick your stock in. Okay, that's doing that. Bubble away. Let's make our Yorkshire pudding, which is gonna fail, but it doesn't matter. It's part of it. That is hot. Oh, possibly sunshine. I'm waiting for this gravy, really. Then let's go. Let's carve. Okay, let's carve this chap with. That's okay. Probably a little bit over, but not bad. Okay, I think I'm abandoning Yorkshire pudding because this has happened. Yeah, I know, get a recipe, use a recipe. I might just leave that and do something else with it. Yeah. Let's do some eating of this. Ages since I've roasted anything. I don't normally roast. You can't beat gravy made from the crap left behind with the beef. That's really nice. I'll leave it there. But yeah, seen a bit. Love you, bye. They're running out of battery. Bye.